If you have been struggling with running Facebook adverts simply because your Nigeria card keep getting declined, or maybe because you don't have dollar card, I am about to show you how to easily fund your Facebook ad account using our normal bank transfer way. You don't need any card with this method. You don't need any stress. You don't need to call any bank to activate your international transaction. You are only going to do a normal bank transfer like we do every day. This is the best method I have been using over the past 4 years to fund my Facebook advert without any single issue. So if you are ready to stop letting payment issues stop you from running ad, watch this video till the very end and I promise you are going to solve your payment issue completely. Right now, as you can look at this ad account, this is just an example ad account. I only have 9,000 naira in this ad account and I'm going to demonstrate my funding method by simply adding 1,000 naira just to show you that this method works. How do you do that? The first thing to do is to refresh this page. You just come to your ad manager and you refresh it and let the interface show so that we can start the funding process. Listen, if you just have your OPay, your Kuda, your PalmPay, all these fintech application, you can simply use that to fund. And if you don't have, maybe you have a traditional bank like Access Bank, UBA, Union Bank, First Bank, you can still use that bank to do this funding. However, I really advise that you use fintech bank. The reason is because fintech bank will not give you a network issue and they immediately going to fund your Facebook account just the right moment you make your transfer. What you need to do is to click on add fund. Please note that this must work on a Nigerian ad account. If you don't know how to create a Nigerian ad account, please check the video description. You're going to see a link to the previous video that I've done. Watch that video and follow that method to create a Nigerian ad account. If you don't have a Nigerian ad account, obviously they are not going to charge you in Nigeria. And if they don't charge you in Nigeria, you can't use a Nigerian bank to make that payment. So what we're going to do for the purpose of this example, let me actually add 5,000. So I have selected the amount that I want to add. And immediately there are all payment options here: debit or credit card, payment by USSD, payment by bank transfer, payment by Verve, Visa or MasterCard. I am only going to choose bank transfer. Like you can imagine, I say this method works with a normal bank transfer where they give you a Nigerian bank account and they tell you to transfer money to that account. Some of you might be asking, what if I transfer and they don't fund me? Listen, that account is only going to be for the purpose of this Facebook account. So any money that you pay in that account is going to be funded on your Facebook account. What we're going to do is to click on next and we're going to wait for them to give us that particular ad account. There are certain banks that is already associated with the Meta platform. So when, for example, Paga, Paystack, these are some of the banks that is associated with them. Once this comes up, we click open pay by bank transfer. Listen, they're going to give us the account detail for us right now. As you can see, the account number is there, the account name is there, and the bank is there. The next thing we're going to do is to make our payment. So let me grab my phone and quickly make my payments right there. Currently, I am making a transfer, and by the time I am done with my transfer, I am going to come back to this video to show you that the money has been added. Remember that when we started the video, it was 9,000 naira that was remaining. I'm going to show you when the money is added. After transferring the money and waiting 30 to 45 seconds, the money is already added like you can see. Listen, you don't need Nigeria card. You don't need to have any card before you can continue running your ad. Using this method is very easy. Just in the same way you transfer money to a vendor, to a marketer, that is the same way you pay for your Facebook ad right now. Once they introduced this method, I completely removed all my card from adding money because when you have card, sometimes you might try to add money because there is no network in that card. The payment will be declined. Your advert will stop working. But with this method, you don't need all of that. You don't even need to use any Nigeria card. Just make your transfer. If you don't have an open account, go and create a code, a PalmPay, something that you can always use to add money to your account. As you can see, say you now have 14,000 naira in available fund. So instead of 9,000, the money have now been added to 14,000. This is one of the easiest method I have seen ever. I love when they introduce this method. I have been using over time to add money to my Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, give it a thumb up and subscribe. Make sure you turn on notification bell. Check the video description. I'm going to link other important video on Facebook ad and lead generation. And if you're struggling to get quality lead with Facebook and Instagram ad, I guarantee you this is the channel you need to subscribe to, because I'm always giving you tip, strategy, tutorials that will help you get more results with your Facebook ad. Until next time, I'm going to see you in another video.